Hi everyone, this is your telecom instructor and today we will talk about computer network basics. Let's say you are living in city A and you want to send a card to wish happy birthday to your friend living in city B. First, you are going to write down your wish, then you will put the card into envelope and then you will write down all your related information such as your friend name, your friend's phone number, address, and you will also write down your information as well. You will bring the envelope to the nearby post office. The post office will then send the envelope to your friend of city, which is city B, and then based on the information written on the envelope, the postman is going to deliver the envelope to your friend home. Your friend will be able to receive the envelope. So let's say you type your friend name wrong or your friend address was wrong. The postman will not be able to deliver the card. The same logical is applied in computer communication. Now, let's see how the same logical can be applied in computer communication. We want to send the same card from computer A to computer B. So the computer A will need to add the source and destination information, then send it to PCB. The header added by PCA will help to deliver the card to the proper destination. Now let's take the topic to the next level. Let's say computer A wants to send a file to computer B. First, the computer A will need to prepare the file by adding a number of headers before sending to computer B. This process is called encapsulation. So during the encapsulation, the big file will be split into small pieces, then add the transport header, which is also referred as source and destination port. At this moment, the file is called segment. Then the segment is going to move down to the network layer where the source and destination IP address is added. At this stage, we call it package. And then the package is also going to be moved down to the data link layer where the source and destination MAC address is added. At this moment, we call it frame. Before sending a frame to the PCB, the whole frame is going to be converted into bit stream in the physical layer before sending it out to PCB. And then the PCB will be able to receive a file. After PCB receives a file, it will need to do the reverse scenario in order to read the file. All the header added by PCA will be checked by PCB to ensure that the file is designated to him. The bit stream is converted back to frame. Then the MAC header will be checked and removed. And then the IP header will also be checked and removed. And the same for the transport header. And finally, the PCB will be able to see the file content. If one of the header was wrong during the header checkup, the PCB will automatically drop the file. It's clear that during the encapsulation, the sender computer needs to know the target computer IP and MAC address so that it can properly deliver the file. Now let's look at how the PCA gets headers information. To check the PCA MAC address or physical address, you can just open up your Windows command prompt and then you simply type ipconfig or you can simply type get MAC. Then you will be able to see which MAC address the computer A uses for the encapsulation. Now next, you may wonder how the computer A gets the PCB MAC address during the encapsulation. The answer is that before the encapsulation, the computer A will send an ARP request to discover the PCB MAC address. We will talk about ARP in the next video. Next, the IP address of PCA can be assigned statically or dynamically. So most of the time we get the IP address from DHCP server, which is going to be taught in another video. And then if you enter the explicit IP address, there is no problem. But if you enter the domain name, for example, www.facebook.com or www.google.com, so you will need a DNS to get the IP address of this website. So this is also going to be another video. If you want to keep learning, please don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye. Take care.